Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well today. Today I will show you how to play 7, very simple 7, okay? Hello guys, I hope you are doing well today. So if you're a newcomer on my YouTube channel, make sure to subscribe, click on the notification bell, it's very important. In this YouTube channel, I will show you how to play piano, how to harmonize all your chords, and all this content is totally free. So make sure to subscribe and click on the notification bell, it's very important. So we take like the scale of F. So it's F, G, A flat, C, D, E, and F. Okay, so it's very simple. The first chord is F. So when you want to play 7, you need 3 things. Okay, 3 things. The first thing is a guitar, a solo guitar. So I have my solo guitar here with my right hand. Okay, so solo guitar with your right hand, and then with your left hand you need the bass guitar. Okay. And then you need drums. So there is your 3 things, the 3 things you need if you want to play 7 on keyboard. Okay, so with your right hand we play like in the scale of F. The first chord is F, so my first chord is C, F, and A. Okay, the second one is B flat. Okay, B flat is I reverse my B flat, so it's B flat, D, and F, but I can play like this. Okay, so D, F, B flat. Okay, so the first one is F, the second one is B flat. Okay, or A sharp. B flat or A sharp is the same. Okay, so the third chord is C. C, I reverse my C. I have E, G, and C, and then I can come back to B flat, then go back to F. So I have F, B flat, C, B flat, F. Okay, but if you want to play 7, if you want to sound like a 7 player, you don't need to do like plotted chords. Okay, you need to play like arpeggios. Okay, instead of doing like this, you can do like this. Okay, instead of doing like this, like F, you can do, okay, instead of, you see, instead of plotted chord, you can play like arpeggios. Okay, very simple. So my first chord, 1, 4, 5, 4, and then 1, 4, 5, 4. You can do this exercise like it's just feeling. Okay, just feeling. You don't have to play like me, just use your feeling and play. Okay, very simple. Very simple. So it's all for our right hand. With your left hand, you need to play bass. Okay, so if you see like if you watch a bass player, when you play like 7, you have like a big case is here. Okay, you have like do 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 do. You see, so each step you need to play here. So let's try. So my first chord is F, so I can play like F or here F. Okay, case. Okay, F bass 2. You see, I have my C here. Okay, this you don't have to play this note. It's not like, no, don't stay in this note. Okay, just touch the note like do. It's like a drummer when he plays like with the right foot, he plays like do. You see, so you have to reproduce this right foot for the of the drummer. Very simple. So do. One is F. Remember, one F. So I can play F do. See, the right foot. Okay, F foot. 4. The fourth one is B flat. Okay, foot. C is 5. Foot. Foot. F. My F is my 1. My B flat is my 4th. My C is my 5. Okay, see, I say if I say 1, so it's F. 5 it's C. 4 is B flat or A sharp. Very simple. So 1, 4, 5, 4, 1, 4, 5, 4, 1. Okay, just play. Okay, just play. You can just find your way to reproduce everything here with your left hand. Okay, very simple. I give you the basis, and you can just add everything you want. Okay, so I have my 1. Okay, so the chord of B flat is like B flat, D and F. Okay, so I can play like the third or the fifth of this chord before coming here. Okay, so my 1 is 1. Then the next chord is B flat. So the chord is B flat is B flat, D and F. Okay, so I can play like D or F before coming to B flat. So 1, 4. Then the next one is C. The chord of C is C, E and G. Okay, so I can play like G, C or E, C. Foot, 4, foot, 1. Okay, very simple. So if I play with the drums, you can see. Very simple, so you can try. And yeah, if you have some question about this exercise, just put in the comment section. I will be very glad to answer all your questions. So if you're not a member of my YouTube channel, just make sure to subscribe and like this video. Please like this video, give me strength. Very important for me to give you all the videos you want. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. See you in the next video. God protects all our families. So goodbye.